Can Xiaomi TV watch Netflix? Yes, Xiaomi TVs can watch Netflix provided they support the Netflix app. Most Xiaomi Smart TVs running Android TV or Google TV come with Netflix pre-installed, while others allow users to download it from the Google Play Store. However, some Xiaomi TV models may lack official Netflix certification, which can limit access. 1. Xiaomi TV models that support Netflix. Most Xiaomi Smart TVs with Android TV or Google TV are officially certified to run Netflix. These models have the Netflix app pre-installed and can stream content in HD, Full HD, or 4K based on their hardware capabilities. Users should ensure their Xiaomi TV has the latest software updates for the best Netflix experience. 2. How to watch Netflix on a Xiaomi TV. Step 1. Ensure the Xiaomi TV is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 2. Press the home button on the remote and look for the Netflix app. Step 3. If Netflix is not pre-installed, open the Google Play Store, search for Netflix, and install it. Step 4. Launch the Netflix app and sign in with an existing account or create a new one. Step 5. Select a movie or show and start streaming. 3. Watching Netflix on non-supported Xiaomi TVs. Some budget Xiaomi TV models or Chinese variants may not have official Netflix certification, preventing access to the Netflix app. In such cases, users can use an external streaming device like a Chromecast, Fire Stick, or Apple TV to stream Netflix. Try sideloading the Netflix APK, though this may not guarantee full functionality. Use screen mirroring from a smartphone or laptop to watch Netflix on the TV. 4. Netflix streaming quality on Xiaomi TVs. Netflix supports HD, Full HD, and 4K UHD streaming depending on the Xiaomi TV model. To stream in higher resolutions, users should have a Netflix standard or premium subscription for Full HD or 4K streaming. Use a stable internet connection, at least 5 megabits per second for HD and 25 megabits per second for 4K. Check if the Xiaomi TV supports Widevine L1 DRM, which is required for Netflix HD and 4K playback. 5. Troubleshooting Netflix issues on Xiaomi TV. If Netflix is not working on a Xiaomi TV, users should restart the TV and clear the Netflix app cache in Settings apps. Update the TV's firmware to the latest version. Check for internet connectivity issues or restart the router. If Netflix is missing from the Play Store, reset the TV to factory settings and try again. Xiaomi TVs can watch Netflix if they have official certification and access to the Google Play Store. If Netflix is unavailable, external streaming devices, screen mirroring, or sideloading are alternative solutions. With the right setup, users can enjoy smooth Netflix streaming on their Xiaomi TV.